Hey, are you starting your own blog and make money online? And if you don't know that where to get content for your blog, watching the video till the end. Hello everyone, warm welcome to my channel Ajay Digital World. Here you get the best tutorial on online money making tools. I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. I also create a playlist of 10 earning websites and freelecom site for you to check out the I button. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What exactly is a text broker? Text broker is a website where you can apply and upload original written material to their customers. Text broker acts as a middleman, including a list of work that their clients have sent, and you select the tasks you want to work on from the open order board. If you want to start with text broker, link in the description box. Is text broker a genuine company? Text broker has a strong reputation for being dependable and paying on time, with an estimated 100,000 writers and financial support from Viewpoint Capital. They are unquestionably genuine. Is text broker available all over the world? Text broker calculates your writing level based on your initial writing sample, as you already know. Text broker, on the other hand, only hires writers from the United States, while the Content Authority would employ writers from anywhere in the world as long as they can be paid through PayPal and have a strong command of the English language. If you want to create a PayPal account, link in the description box. If you want to know more about the PayPal, link in the I button. Is text broker available in India? Text broker and iWriter are two places that you can enter. Those websites cater to content writers in particular. Aside from that, the websites Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr are for all forms of workers. If you don't know about these freelancing sites, link in the I button. What kind of money would you make on iWriter? This is the sum of money you can make per article. For a 300-word essay, standard authors receive $1.62, $2.43 for a 500-word article, and $4.05 for a 700-word article. Elite authors have a 4.6-star approval rating or better, and a 500-word essay pays $8.10. Text broker's features include 1. Quickly get content. Among the many talented members on our platform, there is always a suitable author. Author searches that take a long time and missed deadlines for your content ventures are now a thing of the past. We save you time and allow you to focus entirely on the tasks that are most important to you. 2. Obtain content for all topics. Our writers are specialists in a wide range of fields. Text broker can provide any form of material, whether it's about travel, fitness, or cryptocurrencies. There is almost certainly someone with experience in your field among our writers. 3. Order content in bulk in many languages. The text broker platform allows you to translate into any language in the world quickly, easily, and scalable. With our latest translation order, you can easily handle your translations. You may also have custom content written in your chosen language. 4. All costs must be regulated. Text broker does not charge a monthly fee. You choose the article's content and volume, and you just pay for what you order. Take a look at our pricing page for more detail. 5. Eliminate administrative trouble. From author briefing to export into your content management system, your entire content order is processed by our simple platform. You don't have to submit an invoice to each and every author any longer. The billing is taken care of by us. 6. Use unique content to improve the search engine optimization. Our order dashboard allows you to easily add your target keywords. You may also use our plagiarism detection service. These tools will help you create exclusive, optimized content that search engines will reward with higher rankings. I hope you all really like these videos. On this site you have two options: join as a content writer and make $100 of the dollar. Join as a client and get content for your site and make money online. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Never forget to share. Leave a comment if you like the video. Hit the bell icon. Stay happy, stay with us. Good luck.